Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I have created. I have recreated Malvika Sidlani's look. She's my favorite beauty and makeup influencer. So I'll be uh, posting, I'll be showing the picture here up or down in the screen somewhere, so you can like relate I have matched the look or not. So without further ado, I'm going to show how I have created this beautiful look. Let's get into the video. So this is the bare face I'm having right now. I've applied moisturizer already and I'm using Insights primer. This is very cheap and best primer for every skin type, and I'll be using near my nose where I think I have open pores, and on my under eyes, like on the fine lines and smile lines like this. So next I am using My Glam's 3-in-1 palette for the color correcting. I am using orange color corrector. In this palette you will be getting everything: the foundation, color correctors, yellow and orange, and there are various shades. You can check it out in the My Glam's app or website. So I'll be using under my eye area because I have a lot dark circles, and wherever I am having like marks or anything as such. I'm done with the color correcting. You can see the visible difference. And for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 220. I'll not use too much of the foundation because it's high coverage, and obviously you can build it up again if you want it. So you can just see the coverage it gives me. It gives me like beautiful finish, and you can see the visible difference between the foundation side and my no foundation side. So I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm using the same palette from My Glam that I have used before for color correcting. I'm using the foundation. Actually, it's a multi-purpose palette. You can use as foundation or color correcting. It's a buildable coverage also. From the same palette, I am taking this yellow color corrector for highlighting my under eye areas like this. So for setting, I am using My Glam's banana powder. This is very good for setting, and I am not taking a huge amount of it. I am taking a little bit on my fingers and tapping like this on the area where I want to mattify. So I am using the compact powder for whole of my face because I want the matte finish, not that glossy look. Also the compact powder ensures that your makeup lasts for really long. I am brushing my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil, and I am using Swiss Beauty's eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. I think black gives a very drawing like finish. It looks very artificial, so brown or grey eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder are the best. So for blush, I am using this peachy and orange kind of shade and applying it over the highlighted cheek area rather than all over my cheeks. I usually contour there, but I'll be contouring it too. For the contour, I am using a sugar palette. I'll be mentioning the shade in the description box below. Also, I am taking the same bronzer for contouring my nose. Obviously, I don't have that sharp nose, I have to contour it anyway. For the eyeshadow, I am using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It has matte shades and the shimmery shades as well. So first I took the basic brown shade and applying it like a base. Secondly, I'm using the same palette actually for the whole eye makeup. From the same palette, I took a mauve kind of shade and using my fingers to apply it all over. From the same palette, first I took this pink glittery shade, but it was not popping so much, so I took the lighter shade. It is pink but a bit more of silver. From the same palette, I am using the same mauve shade and applying like this under my eye lower lash line, and I am taking the blue liner to create a wing liner for this look. So I'll be using the same blue liner near my inner corners like this. For mascara, I am using the basic black mascara, but my personal favorite is the Maybelline one, but here I am using Manish Malhotra's black mascara collaborated with My Glam. So as I always mention in my videos, I am super clumsy, so yeah, here's the broken highlighter, and this is the highlighter from again My Glam, and it gives so subtle finish and natural looking look, I can say. Yes, you can see in the screen by yourself. So this is the Popexo mini lip kit, and I'm going to review it as well in this video. It comes with three mini lipsticks in different nude shades. The one I chose was all the nude shade. I'll be mentioning each and every shades in the screen as well and in the description as well, and I am loving it. The shade personally I use, it's very beautiful mauve pinkish shade, and it's the lip kit, so even if when you mix all the three shades, it pops up more and it gives a fourth shade. So this is the final look. Oh my god, it came out so beautiful, so flawless. I am loving it. Please tell me in the comment section below that you are loving it or not. And guys, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. If you liked it, please share, comment. Okay, bye, I love you.